Alrighty, people, we are back, man. This is week 4, push part 1, which I am very excited for. As per usual, we're gonna warm up, just get the shoulders loose and whatnot, make sure our form and stance is right before we get into the main working sets. This machine feels very unstable today. Oosh. It's making hella noise, damn. Yo, you good? Is it because I haven't added no resistance? Let's see. Let's see what happens when I add resistance, wait. That's better. Okay. Da 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 da. Yeah. Ooh. Had a really good rest day yesterday. You know, slept pretty decent, even though I had to get up. Was it yesterday? Was it Tuesday? I had to get up and go get a haircut, and then once I got the haircut, went back to sleep after a couple of hours to take a nap. And you know how naps go, 45 minutes turns to an hour, and an hour turns into 2, and then 2 turns into 3. Next thing you know, you had a full-on sleep. But I rested very well, got around 13,000 steps. I went for like multiple walks, maybe 3 in total. 1 when I woke up, 1 when I came back, recorded for a bit, then went for a walk, and then I took that nap. And then when I woke up, did my work and everything, and then around 4 or 5 in the morning, went for another walk before I went back to sleep. So yeah, definitely got the steps in, outside, moved my body, which is very important regardless of if it's a rest day or whatnot, just movement. A lot of movement is very important. Oh, I got dips as well, but I'm not doing that today. I'm gonna focus here. When I start doing my actual sets, then I'll incorporate the dips and do my 3 to 4 sets. We're gonna keep it, you know, intense, sweaty. I'm not so fatigued today. I'm not tired because obviously I took a rest day yesterday. So today, of course, before I even start saying, oh, I'm gonna try and beat records and whatnot, you obviously gotta test out the machine, see how your joints are feeling, see how the body's feeling, you know what I mean? And then go off that. If I'm feeling good the first couple of warm-up sets on the incline bench, then obviously I will take it to the 3 plates, test that out, see how far we can push that. And then I'll probably end up doing some drop sets just to get that extra volume in today. But yeah, let's go. Let's go. 12.5 is what we normally start with. That was just little 2 warm-up sets. Why not? Let's get straight into it. Ooh. Oh man, I'm so used to not training with headphones that I don't even have music playing right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. Maybe I need to get some sounds in. You're very unstable and you ain't got control. It starts making that noise. So yeah, form is king. I always put that over trying to ego lift or compromise your form. Of course, certain exercises, when you get to the last 2-3 reps, you might use a little bit of momentum. That's okay. But if you're starting off first rep, having to use your whole body to move the weight, brother, lower the weight. Your ego is gonna get you out of the gym for a very long time. You might get not even might, there's a 99% chance you're gonna injure yourself, and then you're gonna be out for 3 to 6 months, depending on how severe the injury is. Then you're gonna start from ground zero again. We don't want that. Longevity, consistency, and the only way you can build consistency is staying in your lane and don't try and be like everyone else. Know your limits, you know what I mean? That's why I always try to advise people, if someone wants to train with me, I'm always like, don't follow what I do. You know what I mean? You can try and push yourself, But just because I'm here doesn't mean that you're gonna start lifting weights that you've never lifted before, end up getting hurt, and I'm gonna feel like some type of way, like it's my fault. No. Lock in, bro. Lock in. You can't be out here doing, let's say, 18 bicep curls, and now all of a sudden you wanna start taking 28. No, leave your ego at home. You ain't here to impress nobody but yourself. Focus. Focus. All right, let me play this music, bro. Eesh. 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 Oof. Eesh. 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 Oof. Whoosh. Very nice. Eesh. 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 Ah. Woo. Yee. Your boy did 15 there. Oh, I felt that. I'm not gonna lie, when I got to 12, I was like, this is the way you normally stop. But let me push that extra 3 reps. Felt good. Felt good. I don't know if I'm gonna do it for the rest of them, but first set, pushed it to 15. Obviously, you've got 3 more sets of it. Even if I do get that for 12, that's still a little bit of progress. 3 extra reps first set. We take it. Rest like a minute, then we go again. Third and final set. Not third, sorry. Yeah, third set of this. But oh man, I might just do 3 sets. I'm not gonna lie, already chest, delts, fragile. This is what happens when you cut, man. Eesh. 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 Still gotta have control in them reps though. Oh man. Wow. Eesh. 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 I don't know if I did 8, I don't know if I did 9. When you don't know, like I said, always do that extra rep. I'm so cooked, bro. Woo. Hey. 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 Jean minimum, hey, Jean minimum ça, toi. Hey, I'm gonna do 1 more set of lateral raises. I'm not doing no more dips. No, I'm good. I'm good of dips. Oi, hey, 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 hey. Why? Hey. Wow. Now we move on to incline. Let me just test out the machine real quick. Let's just taste it. The seat is in the right position, so we're good there. But we always wanna warm it up by just using the movement itself. Nice. We're good, we're good. Let's add some 20s and then wait at least a minute and a half. You must learn to crank out. You must first begin to breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now drop, now drop, now drop, now drop. Oh, if you got it. That's one thing a lot of people forget to do though. Breathe. Breathing through the exercise. All right? When you're bringing it down, breathe in. When you're pushing up, exhale. A lot of people hold their breath. It's like, yo, breathe, brother, breathe. Let it out. All right, first working set. Hey, let's get it. That sixth one wasn't going nowhere, bro. I was not going nowhere. I tried, but it got stuck halfway. Yay. But I take it. I take it. I take it. I'll take that one set. And now I'm gonna take off the 20 and then do another 2 sets of 100. Try and get around 80 to 12. Nice, solid, perfect form. Good man stretch at the bottom. That perfect rep, right? Get that blood flowing towards the chest. Of course, like I said, always try and strain heavy, but some days it's not there. And I'm not gonna lie, when I was warming up and I did the 100, I was already skeptical of the 3 plates. But a lot of that is mind games. Like you're playing yourself like, oh, nah, I'm not really feeling it today. Test it out. I tested it out, got 5.5. I take it. Now, I'm gonna back off. Know your limits as well. I'm gonna back off, do 100, like I said, for 2 sets of nice stretch, contract type of reps. Let's get it. Let me rest up though, at least a minute. Whew. Ooh, let's go. Alrighty, lateral raises, boom. Whew. Sweating by, what's it saying, 55? We did 50 last week. I'm gonna stick to 50, right? I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't trying to do no more, man. I'm already finished. I squeezed that at 16th there because I did 15 last week, so we take that. We take that. Oh, I'm so cooked. God, I love this shit. Wow. Third and final set. Aye, aye, aye. We got pec deck. I'm not gonna lie, going forward in the next couple of weeks, I'm gonna be doing the tricep cable extension first and then finishing off with this, because we literally went from a chest exercise to a shoulder exercise and now we're back on chest. My chest ain't recovered enough, man, I ain't gonna lie. But the program is the program. I set up for myself, so I'm only to blame. Oh, let's go. Ooh. I felt good though, I'm not gonna lie. I felt real good. Wow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, final set. Oh man. I'm telling you, man. I've been in this shit for what, 15 plus years? Never ever compromise your form, I'm telling you. Never compromise your form. Longevity, consistency is the name of the game. Always make sure your form's on point, man. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Squeeze. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Squeeze. Hey. 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 I'm not gonna lie. That one there, the fatigue creeped up on me out of nowhere, bro. Hey, those reps were clean. I was squeezing, and then I just got stuck. I was like, yay. Hey, part of the game, but that's when you start hitting those partials. But as you can see, the form doesn't really change. It's not like I'm bending over and trying to use everything to move the weight. I still keep it strict. Make sure it's the chest working and not everything else. And just try to spam out those partials. All right, man. Let's hit triceps and get the hell out of there. I ain't gonna lie to you, even just lifting up my arms, problematic, bro. Whew. Body fragile. Nice. What's that? Let's see how this feels. Oi. Oi, oi, oi. Let's go home, man. Yeesh. W sesh. Love life, love life, love life. Peace.